Hi there folks, and welcome to the What Solutions for this week's The Daily Rigour, issue number 30. So story number 1, Chase viewers in shock as the Beast storms off after losing his game. So the contestants actually won quite a lot of money here. So Terry won 5,000 for the prize pot, as did Trish. Michael then added a whopping 10 times the amount Terry won, and they all got an equal share of the prize pot. How much did each of these effective contributors each receive? So let's work out the total value of the prize pot first of all. So we've got 5,000 from Terry, 5,000 from Trish, and Michael is going to be putting in 50,000. So that's a total prize fund of £60,000, which has been shared 3 ways, so each won a share of £20,000. Very handy with Christmas coming up. Okay, so our second story, John Glenn, first American to orbit the Earth, has sadly died. His date of birth was the 18th of July 1921. How old was he when he died? So because he's already had his birthday this year, so because that was in July and this is now December, all we have to essentially do is take the year of his birth away from the current year, which means he was 95 years old. What a fantastic life that man led. So okay, in story number 3 we've got Cristiano Ronaldo releasing his tax reforms that show that he earned €227.3 million in 2015 alone. So that's his salary with all his commercial endorsements as well. Astonishing amount of money. So how much is this per month in pounds and pence? So to work out his monthly salary in euros, what we can do is we can divide his annual salary by 12. If we write it out fully, that's how the number would look. That gives us €18,941,666 and 67 cents. So to change that into pounds and pence, we divide by the exchange rate, so in this case it's 1.19. And if we put that correctly into a calculator, that gives us an answer of £15,917,366.95 per month. For goodness sake, an incredible amount of money. So when we compare this to a starting salary for a junior doctor of £22,636 per year, how many years would the junior doctor have to work just to earn what Ronaldo earns in 1 month? Well, basically it's a case of how many of these go into this, so it's a division, isn't it? And if we put that correctly into our calculators, we get 703.1881 ... So that means 703 and a bit years, which means that in order to earn this amount plus a wee bit extra, the junior doctor would have to work for 704 years. So that's maybe putting into context the ridiculous gulf between what the top elite footballers earn and doctors. Okay, so our last story about Fitbit. So we've got a wee workout for you here. Julie got a new Fitbit for her birthday, and here is the summary from this workout. So first of all, how far did she run? So that's calculating distance, and of course for that we use the equation speed times time. The speed is 9 kilometers per hour, but the time would also have to be in hours. So if our workout time's 24 minutes, we change that to hours by dividing by 60, and that's 0.4 hours. So we do 9 times 0.4, which gives us a distance of 3.6 kilometers per hour. Not bad, but maybe we should run a wee bit further next time. Okay, now how many calories did she burn off? So her average calories per hour would be 680 she would burn off if she ran at this speed, with all her measurements taken into account, for an hour. She only ran for 40% of an hour, or 0.4 hours. So what we have to do is multiply the calories per hour by 0.4. So she burned off 272 calories, which is not bad for 24 minutes of a workout. So well done, Julie. And that was our What Solutions for the Daily Rigour issue number 30. Hope you found them useful. Stay tuned for next week's issue. We'll be looking at more stories from the news of the week and the numbers behind them. But in the meantime, thanks for watching, and bye for now.